we got the Acura in the garage now. What we can do for now is change the oil, take out the filter, change the filter, put in the Valvoline Restore and Protect. So once we change the oil, we're just gonna go ahead and change the oil pressure switch. Oops, this didn't even have the little washer on there. But aftermarket or not, at least these guys provided the washer for it, so I really can't be mad. All right, car is put back together, restore and protect, oil change, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna test drive it and let's see how it runs. For the most part, she takes off. Like even on regular drive, like she takes off, and so I say it's a success. Watch this. See? Mint. Catch you guys in the next one.